shoot.
South.
Crap. Dude, they are quick. Oh my gosh.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, Upshur County in west central Georgia, southeastern Troup County in west central Georgia, northwestern Talbot County in west central Georgia, northern Harris County in west central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Dang it.
At 11:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harrelson to near Whitesville Pine Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Dude,
per hour wind gusts.
I never get this station.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Oh my gosh.
Barnesville, Zabelin, Hamilton, Greenville, Manchester, Pine Mountain, Woodbury, Milner, Warm Springs, Woodland, Molina, Williamson, Orchard Hill, Meonsville, Harrelson, Eldora, Gay, Sunset Village, and Lincoln Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and west central Georgia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 11 a.m. in Atlanta, light afternoon, then showers, lows in the lower 50s.
Whoa.
Saturday and Saturday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers.
Wait, is that?
Highs in the lower 70s. Mid-50s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Partly cloudy afternoon. Severe weather should be between 10 and 7 p.m.
What?
Mostly cloudy with a 50%
What the heck?
chance of showers is expected at this time in the lower 70s. Lows around 60. For more detailed...
Alright, that's weird.
The afternoon. Chance of rain 90%.
Alright, I'm leaving that on that, I guess.
North Central.
Actually, wait. Alright. Oh, dang. There you guys go.